गणपति बप्पा मोरया, मंगल मूर्ति मोरया। हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं कि बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल्स आने वाले हैं, तो उसमें हमें हेल्दी रहना भी जरूरी है। और हेल्दी रहने के लिए मेरे पास है इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर काढ़ा। Oh yes, so let's start. I have taken 10 to 12 gold made black pepper, tea green cardamom, 5 cloves, 5 tulsi leaves, a pinch of salt, an inch of cinnamon stick, half tablespoon of turmeric, 1 bay leaf, jaggery 2 to 3 tablespoon, 600 ml, 2 tablespoon carom seeds. Take a pan and pour water. Let the water get boil. It have boiled. Now I am putting everything. We will boil the water and make the water half. Now we are boiling our kadha. Our kadha water have become half and it's ready. Now we are going to switch off the gas. Now we are going to use a strainer to sieve kadha. My immunity booster kadha is ready. Kadha is very hot. Now I will drink it. Yum. It's so sweet, so much sugary. So drink it in all the festivals and be fit and healthy. If you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Whoa, bye.